Once your dataset has been processed, you can view that dataset on our Aerial Phenotyping portal. To do this, navigate to our website and click Login. From here, click Research and Breeding. You will be brought to an overview of all dataset locations. Select the location of interest from the right-hand side Data Management panel. Once selected, you will be brought to a page showing all uploaded datasets and results for that location. To view a result, click here. Once loaded, you can use the map window to interact with the data. To export an orthomosaic, CSV, GeoJSON, or shapefile, click here.